Hey guys, I'm showing you this FALLVI Wall Light with up and down battery operated for brightness levels with a 3 color temperature, 360-degree magnetic rotation mounted wall, scones for reading, study, bedside. So this is a one pack and these are all the accessories that comes with it. So this is the main light and you can see this is the touch. So you have to be careful with this, and there is one night lamp thing on the top and then reading light in the bottom. So see the night and the wood, so you touch the night one, the night lamp will be on, and then this different this light thing. So total 3 warm temperature and the brightness. And this one is the magnetic thing that comes for the 360-degree rotation and the charging cable to charge your light. So I charged it and you can see like it's all charged now. And this is for the back thing to put in. These are the screws if you want to use that to fix this up. And this is the magnetic rotation thing, that is a 360-degree rotation. So this you can see like it's very strong magnetic thing that I feel, and you can do all the 360-degree rotation with it, and the very solid grip for this magnet one. And the thing is, you can use it the screws or you can just stick it on the wall. Just peel it off and put it on the wall. So remote is also there, like if you want to use it as a remote control. So take out the protective thing and you can see its operation with this remote control as well. So the light is really bright with the timer thing on the remote. So you can use it for the night thing. So it's a manual, is a straightforward manual, and I just put it on my wall. You can see like I just stick it and I'm just putting it with the magnetic thing on my wall. So this is really nice looking, and the night light on the top and then the light here.